What's going on, everyone? It's time for Feature Friday. I'm Bobby from RepairShopr, and let's get into this. So, this week we're going to be talking about an update that I know a ton of people have been asking for, and it's definitely a long time coming. We wanted to make sure we did it correctly. Of course, I'm talking about custom fields for contacts or contact custom fields. So, for those of you that are familiar with custom fields in RepairShopr, we have sections attached to customers and tickets, for example, and assets, excuse me. We allow you to customize what information is captured and stored for those customers, for those tickets, or for those devices that you support. We've had a lot of people provide feedback to us that they want to see that kind of level of customization extended to contacts so that you can record any kind of information you want for contacts, whether it's, like maybe a family and you need to record certain notes about the person, to maybe it's a business you're supporting and you want to keep different details about employees and things like that that might be important to note when you're working with them. So let's get into it. What do you need to do? The first thing you need to do is you need to go to admin, and then you'll notice a new section under the customers called Contact Custom Fields. And if you've set up custom fields for tickets or for customers or for assets, for example, the rest of this is probably going to be pretty familiar. If you're new to this, I'm going to kind of go through it a little bit, but I would definitely refer you to the knowledge base. We recently just redid the knowledge base for custom fields, and you'll find some pretty detailed information about what each different type of field there is and what it does and that sort of thing. So when you're in contact custom fields, it's important to note that in the other custom field types, like for tickets, it's possible to have a lot of different what we call custom field types. For contacts, though, you can basically set up what types of fields you want to show for every contact, and then it's up to you if you want to include additional fields and that kind of thing. So you'll see here I already have a few checkboxes set up. You can click new field and then just give it a name. In this case, I'll say deployed asset. Excuse my poor typing skills here. It's the end of the day for me. All right, so deployed asset, and then I want to say drop down, and then add an answer. Yes. Add another one. No. All right, hit create contact field. All right, so at that point, you can see it here, and of course, just like in the other custom fields, you can drag and drop to reorder these as you desire. Let's go actually look at the contacts. So the contacts, of course, are stored underneath customers. They're kind of a sub-customer of sorts. You can go to any customer, and then you refresh this page here. There is a contacts tab along the top, and when you click that, this is where you can import a list of contacts, manually create new ones, or just look up and edit the information as you see fit. You'll notice under the contact details that the contact custom fields are available for you to fill out as you desire. At that point, when you create the contact, just fill them out and make sure to hit save if it's an existing contact, and then I'll switch away and come back, and if you click on that contact, you will see of course that information. That way, again, the purpose of this is to keep track, and it's important to also note you have the same options available to you for contact custom fields that you do for any type of custom field. So text field, checkboxes, drop downs. You can even have the scribble area if you want to maybe capture a signature. But yeah, the purpose of this is to just kind of expand on the level of information you can keep track of for those of you that need it. So again, to get all of this started, you just head over to admin, and then in the customer section, you'll see a new option for contact custom fields. After that, build out the custom fields you want to keep track of with your contacts, and it's off to the races. I really hope everyone enjoys this. Thank you for your time. If you like this kind of content, please hit the like button. Always keeping track of that stuff. Please give us your feedback as well, and I'll see you in the next one.